Hey, let's go, let's go, let's go. We are live, baby. Let's go. Send out my links here to my groups, of course. And a bit of technical difficulty because somebody messed with the streaming equipment, bro. Someone messed up with the streaming equipment. Like, bro, what? Bro, what? Join now. Trading my live 1 million rand funded account. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We live, we live. What's up, my people? What's up, my people? Let me first greet you guys, of course. Say what's up to the family. Say what's up to the bros, to the bros, to the nose, to the so's. Are you trading MT5? Yes, I'm trading on MT5, my brody. On MetaTrader 5, bro. So I'll be trading, broski. Of course, of course, of course. My bad. But yeah, we live. We are live. Let's go. Let's go. I'll be posting out my link everywhere to the groups, to my Instagram, of course. We gotta get these viewers out, man. I want to get to 700 viewers today. Today, I want 700 views in the chat, guys. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. 260 people in the chat right now. Don't forget, when you guys join up the stream, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, of course. You guys see a big, just for the intro, so I can greet you guys first. Get, everybody welcome into the stream, of course. Welcome, my beautiful people. We are live Monday. It's a new month. It's a new week. We are ready to make some big profits here in the markets, of course. As you guys know, of course, we got the sunglasses over here, ready and waiting. We got the watch on. We got the proper fit into the foot over here. See the foot over there. We got the Fabiani shoes, of course, looking very clean, looking very clean. But yeah, that's what we're working with right there, bro. What we're working with right there. Let's go, let's go. Let's get our money, of course, of course, of course, guys. Let's go. Today, I'm ready to be part of the VIPs landing in Joburg, brand new life. Let's go, my broski. But yeah, we are live. I mean, please on my game, in case any of my wives are gonna be watching this. They don't actually say that I look bad. But yeah, what's up, Kester? What's up, Amir? What's up, Missed My Shot? What's up, Sniper? What's up, Full Margin? What's up, Hot Shot? Svebe? What's up, Pillows? What's up, Worry? What's up, JR? What's up, my bro? My tete mo Oslo here. 2246, bro. What is going on? What is going on, my broski? Hope doing well. What's up, Jay? Lights out. What? Gift Boy, Brandon, John Hall. Looking for a banger, 100%. But looking for a banger today, but we're gonna be patient today because the markets are all over the show. The markets are all over the show, literally. What's up, Poppy? What's up? Simply Mental Facts, Real Funny, Duh, KG, Peter, Neo, K, Lakey, Kilo, with Zuhair Khan. What's up, bro? Vivation Pillay. What's up, chat? Let's go, let's go. What's this guy's name here? I'm gonna say Kaiser. I don't know his name, bro. Isaac, Flex, or where to? Let's go. All the members are in the chat right now. All of them. 370 viewers today. Absolutely crazy. But don't forget to leave a like. I want to get to maybe say 250 or even 300 likes, guys, today. What's up, Ronnie? What's up, Zakir, Angelo? Let me know, guys. Is the mic fine like this? Because the cable's a bit short for the mic. So let me know if the mic is fine like this, if you guys can hear me. If not, I'll just step forward like this here, and I'll talk in the mic. Hello, 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 hello. But yeah. What's up, Safwaan? Wait, that's my name. Wait, that's not possible. I'm the only Safwaan. Hey. Sanveer Livuhani. I don't know how to say that name, bro. But yeah, what's up, guys? We're live. It's a beautiful Monday. We are alive. We are alive. We are live. We are happy. We are blessed. We are rich. Let's go, man. Let's do this. Let's get into goal, of course. Let's get into goal and let's see exactly how we can hear you. Perfect. Let's go. I don't have to sit so forward at least. Make this camera a bit smaller now because I've already done greeted you guys. Greeted all my people, all my people. Greeted them. This camera going properly. I'll show you guys the view though. I think there's a better view out there. Boom. View of Santon over there. Nice view. We have to recover after spot losses. Yes, we do, bro. We do. I agree with you. My VIP single group, we had a bit of a loss earlier. But of course, looking to recover it, make back all the loss plus make back some beautiful Profitinos, Profitanos, man. Of course, of course, of course. What's up, TD Dave, W8 Khan? Make us get some eating before eat, of course, bro. Aiden, proud of you for passing your funded account. Thank you so much, bro. Let me show you guys. 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 Let me show you guys over here. Make this here a bit bigger so I can show it to you. Right? I'm gonna show you my funded account right now. I'm gonna show you the email I got, every single thing, guys, so you guys know that it's actually legit. You can see over here. Thank you for passing. Well, thank you. Congrats on passing your evaluation challenge. From Comit Capital, this came today at about 12 o'clock. So you can see over there. I've passed my funded account over there. And then I got my funded account details. I also signed the thingy. You can see over here. I signed it. The contract to say that I'm a funded trader now. So yeah, that is that right there. Finally, we're a funded trader with Comit Capital after about, like, I think 2 months of trying to become a funded trader. I finally passed the challenge. You can see over here. It is R1 million in the account. Okay. R1 million in the account right there. And it's also under my name. Okay, my battery is low. My battery is low. Come on now. But yeah, that is right there, bro. When I do the giveaway, what giveaway, bro? Only to find out that the market was still consolidated when we entered. It was, bro. It was just moving in a consolidation, broski. Charge your phone. Yeah, I actually have my charger right here, so I can actually charge my phone up real quick. But yeah, like I was saying, we are fully funded now with Comit Capital. I did it just to prove to you guys that I can trade a fund that if I want to, and I can pass it. It just takes the skill, literally. Day 9, Amir, of course, but I'm going to send out the signal to the VIP group if there is a signal. If there's no signal, then there won't be any trades, of course, bro. So that 1 million you can withdraw? No. You cannot withdraw the 1 million rand. You can only withdraw the profits you make on top of the 1 million rand, bro. You cannot withdraw the 1 million rand. That's not how a funded account works, broski. It's not how a funded account works, my buddy. Now let's go. 370 views in the chat. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. I want to get up to at least 150 or even 200 likes today, guys. Very, very easy. Very quickly right there for a boy. You already know what I'm saying, man. Go over to my chat, to my phone. Go over there. Send this out. Boom. Okay, perfect. I'm looking for buys. Yes, I'm looking for buys. But of course, it's very, very bullish. So we're just going to look for a continuation of the buys from earlier. Literally. From the AM session, it's going to look for a continuation buy to the upside, make our profits, call it a day, literally. Let's munch some dates. Oops, of course, bro, of course. Let me just close the door over here. The door over there. Okay, perfect. How much is your target profit for the prop firm? Per day, I'm on the target to make about like between 5 to 10K, bro. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Without wasting any more time, we're going to get straight into the analysis here on gold, right? So the first thing that we can see very clearly that the market opened up yesterday at 1 a.m. and of course it shot all the way up. And it shot up because of the world and how the wars are actually escalating and becoming worse and worse. So that's why it shot all the way up, right? So we can of course expect a lot of bullish momentum to be in the market for the next few days or even for this entire week because there's so much of bombing going around, and whenever a bomb is dropped, gold tends to go to the upside, right? So since we see that happening very often right now, we're going to be predominantly looking for buys. So the first area that I have in mind is this one over here, right? This is a level of support, right? Another level that we can see that was actually respected quite nicely is this level over here. Also another level of support. Put that over there. Then of course we have a level of resistance up top here that the market has been respecting, right? The entire day. It's just been playing around in this area, not really moving that much. So we are going to be, let me just move this camera a bit more down. So we are going to be looking for buys, but only once the market actually comes a bit down, right? So I'm not going to be looking for buys straight away because of course we have to wait for the proper setup for us to form, right? So with that being said, these are the levels that I personally have on my charts for right now, and that's because of how the price is currently moving, right? You can see this is the level of support from the 30-minute time frame because the market shot up, came down to here, and then bounced back up. So the ball hit the floor and bounced up. It then went and it broke above, hit this floor again and bounced up, hit the roof over there and bounced down. And now we're going to scale down to our lower time frame to then look for some additional levels of support and resistance. So the first one that I can see clearly, which I'm going to put a line over here, is the number you can call for assistance from Comit Capital. I'm not too sure, bro, but yeah, I'm going to put this over here. I'll actually use a block for it as well. I'm going to put this over here because this here is also a level that the market has been respected. Right? You can see the first thing that it did, it respected the market over here. So let me get this brush over here. It respected the market over here and shot down, right? It then came over here as well and got pushed down a bit. The same thing happened when it came over here. It respected it, respected it, respected it. Now it has broken below. So what I'm looking for is for the market to come down to this area over here and then look to have a buy all the way up until this level over here and then possibly go even further to the upside. Is the 240 back? No, it's not, bro. Hopefully this week here, they did tell me what's wrong with it, but I forgot. They said it's not the prop shop. It's something a bit small. So they're just busy getting the quotation from the insurance, and then we are sorted, guys. Bro, did you get the Comit classic account? I got the normal account, bro, not the classic account. So you assist on 30-minute time frame and then execute on 5 exactly, bro. So I analyze the 30-minute time frame and then execute on the 5-minute time frame or on the 15-minute time frame, bro. Yes, my guy, we're gonna smash gold and oil, of course, bro. Gold gonna get absolutely smashed today, broski. Do you think gold will buy when the news drops at 4:45? Let's actually go and see what news we have today, guys, because I know we do have news, and since I'm trading on a funded account, I obviously don't want to be trading when, you know, there's news. I don't obviously blow the account, so let me just see over here. So there we go. You can see in the next 28 minutes, we do actually have news coming out, which is the S&P Global Manufacturing PMI. We also have in the next 42 minutes, we have the ISM Manufacturing PMI. And from the looks of it, it looks as if gold is going to go up because you can see over here, the previous is 52.4. The expected is 51.2. So that means there's going to be a decrease in the dollar and an increase in gold. The same thing for the ISM Manufacturing PMI. It's looking like it's going to decrease. And if it does decrease, that means gold is going to go to the upside. So it's looking like gold should have possible buys for the news. But of course, we won't be trading any news, right? That's not what we do. We do not trade news. We trade the after effects of news, guys. We don't trade the news, of course. Also being on the Comit Capital funded account, you can't trade news. So yeah. How about NASDAQ? We are going to go to NASDAQ in a few minutes time. We're just going to stick to gold for right now. And yeah, classic account is good if you don't want to worry about news and also don't withdraw it every week. Exactly. So I want to withdraw every single day. That's why with the standard account, you can withdraw every single day, bro. That's why I want to make 10K withdraw. 10K withdraw, literally. Bro, can the two-step funded account be passed in one trade? No, you have to make, on my account, on the 1 million account, you have to make 1% over 3 days. So I did that there, and I made 1% over 3 days, and then I had one big trade, which I passed the account with. I don't know if this happened to anyone, but it doesn't allow me to trade with less than 160. Yes, because now of the market conditions, the margin has gone up. Because now gold's moving so much faster, every single broker in the whole world has put their margin going a bit higher. So now it costs you a bit more to actually enter a trade. How do you rescue an account on Comit Capital? I think on the website, you just go over there and just choose to rescue your account, as far as I know. So, yeah, bro, that is that. Let me just do this here. Boom. Boom. On the stream. On the stream. Okay, perfect. So, do you understand what we're looking for? Do you guys understand what we are looking for here on gold, guys? Just let me know in the chat right now. You can either say yes or no. Of course, if you don't understand, you let me know so I can explain better. And if you do understand, also just let me know in the chat that you understand what I'm saying. That these are our levels over here. So take a screenshot of this here, take a picture of this. So you have these levels for the future. So that if you understand, or if you come back after the stream and the markets are still in this area, then you can trade. No, please explain. Okay, so what I'm looking for first is, right, the following. Gold had a very aggressive move to the upside, then a very big move down, and then a continuation move up, right? What I'm looking for right now is going to be a move to the downside like this here, to either this area of support over here at 5350 or until 5300, and then look for buys. Because I'm overall bullish on gold, So that's why I want gold to go for a buy. So if it either comes here to 5350, I look to take buys. If we have proper confirmations and the market gives us a proper setup, I'll look to take buys from here. Or if it just goes all the way below and it just comes until this level of support, I'll look to take buys from 5300, right? If it breaks below here, then of course I will be able to of course reanalyze and then look for additional levels to see, okay, where can it go to? But for now, these levels here are enough, and I will use these levels here to base my trades off of them and look for my entries. I don't know why the people are opening up the door, bro. Yeah, no close, bro. They keep on coming inside here and opening the door, bro. Literally. Let's see over here. We are looking for gold to tap a buy zone. Exactly, but we are looking for gold to tap into a buy zone and then look for buys from that area over there. Let's move the desk, bro. Because yeah. So yeah, we are looking for gold to first tap into a buy zone and then look to take buys from there. But for right now, it is just basically moving. You can see right now it's coming down quite nicely. So let's see. Can we get a reaction off of this level from over here? Because this is a level of support, right? So we're going to wait for a reaction off of this level. We need to see a rejection and then go in there. Let's see. I'm looking for, yes, we get you. What's up, brother? Are the crypto withdrawals available? I think they are, bro. I'm not too sure. Wait for price to test the support. Once it tests the support and rejects for the price to go up. Exactly, bro. Can you ask Shaquille to drop a screen video how to rescue an account? I will do that, bro. I want to pay for VIP signals, but I can't withdraw crypto. It's fine, bro. Just wait for it, bro. It's not a stress. Just wait for it. And then when you can do it, you can do it, bro. It's not a rush. There's no rush, my bro. No rush at all. No rush at all. Let's go. Let's go. 100 likes already, guys. Absolutely crazy from you guys. Thank you guys so much for all the likes. But yeah, let's wait now. You can see we're at the level of support over here. Let's wait for it to have a reaction here. Either it's going to, go up from here, or it's going to come down from here. So let's see, is it going to hold this level of support, or is it going to break through the level of support and go further down to the next available level, guys? Let's see. Let's see. 1 second. One second, Dino. So let me know. Do you guys understand what we're saying? Will you add me to VIP after the stream? Yes, we will. What are we doing now? We are waiting right now, guys. We are waiting right now for the market to give us a setup, guys. Let's see, 15. Yes, there is a 15 to 20-second delay, unfortunately, on the stream, but that's what YouTube has put out there. We can't change it, bro. We literally cannot change it, bro. Literally. Just Alex's chair. Frame. Okay, perfect. So yeah, you can see now that what pairs do you trade at 1 a.m.? We trade only gold, bro. Only gold. Only gold. Where would you guys put the stops? So we have to wait for the setup first to form to then identify where can we put the stop loss, bro. Bro, how do you feel being funded with real money potential now? Are you going to make the full 800k? I'm hoping to make the full 800,000 rand profit payout with this account and then go on to a new account. But yeah, for now that's basically that, bro. But 1 second, I have to just send my accountant my ID and my bank statement for some reason. He said it's a bit urgent. So while we wait for the setup to form, let me know what's your guys' target for this week. In this week right now, what is your guys' target for the charts? Like, how much are you guys looking to make? Me personally, I want to make at least 50 to 70,000 rand. That is a decent amount for me to be making, at least between 50 to 70,000 rand profit that I am looking to make. So yeah, that is basically that. I'm looking to make between 50 to 70,000 rand profit. Okay, not this one. That's not good. Looking to make 3K, 200K, 3K, 5K. Check you. I'll go to US 30 now, bro. 10 to 20K, perfect, bro. No, not 50. I'm looking to make 50 to 70K for the whole week, bro. 180K, amazing, bro. I'm trying to port my 100K funded account, phase 1. I believe you can help me. Let's go, bro. I believe I can help you too, bro. 20K, I need a good 4K. Do we sell? No, we don't sell, bro. You see, we were waiting for the market to basically show us what I wanted to do there, and you can see how it just dropped all the way down now. So now we're going to be looking to okay, to this area over here. So when it comes down to this area over here now, that's when we can look for possible buys from there now, bro. So that's what we are waiting for right there. Let me just get this right here, my documents. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, gold is absolutely dropping right now. I want to make 10K, I want to make 1.5K. Very, very good, guys. You guys can do this. Trust me. You guys have got this in the bag. Don't even stress. It's going to be a very, very good week. I can feel in my bones. It's going to be an absolutely beautiful, beautiful week here on the charts. And we are going to smash it and make huge profits, guys. Is the market not dropping to cover the gap? Yes, that's why we are waiting for it to come down first, though. We are waiting for it to come down first before we do anything. That's what I literally told the guys in the broker when I got here to the office. I said that I'm waiting for it to first come down to the level of support to then look for entries. What's the main reason you don't short gold? It's just because of the bullish momentum right now in the markets, bro. Because there's so much of bullish momentum, it's literally very difficult to short gold. I mean, if you look at this here, right? Look at how much gold has shot up, bro. It's been playing here, playing here, playing here, fair enough. It then shot up and shot all the way up. And a small retracement, shot all the way up again. So that's why we predominantly looking for the buys on gold, because it's just so much easier, bro. It's just so much easier, bro. Let's go. Let's get to 500 viewers, guys. We're literally on 480 viewers right now. Let's get to 500 viewers. Let's go, let's go. Let's do it. Okay, that's why we mainly predominantly like to look for the buys on gold. I'm also looking here on my phone, looking at the charts here on MT5, so I can look for where we can enter. Because sometimes I have a bit of a different level on my phone compared to on my MT5. So let's see. There's a very, very big push down right now on gold. Massive, massive push down. We need to see where the safe entry point from a level of support. Or I mean, this year was a $60 drop, though. This year, a $60 drop is absolutely insane. From 75 all the way up to, okay, a $70 drop, bro. That's insane. In literally 10 minutes, $70 drop, bro. That is disgusting right there. Wow. But look, you can see right now we're having a nice rejection from the level of support. So now what I'll wait for is for the market to form a bullish candle above this bearish candle over there. If it can form a bullish candle over there above the bearish candle, that's when we know that it is safe to take buys, guys. That's when we know it's a bit safer for us to take our entries on gold, especially now that there's only 1 minute left for the New York session to start. Right, there's 1 minute left for the NY Open. We can expect some very, very high volume times right now because of the war. So make sure you guys are keeping your guys' account safe, bro. Bro, on your life funded account, since you chose the standard account, you have to hold your trade for 10. Exactly, I have to hold my trades for more than 10 minutes with my account, or I just won't get a payout. Really. Is there news today? Yes, there is some news today, bro. There is some news today. I'll give you the exact time that there's news so we don't trade at that time, bro. I think the news is at 4:45, if I'm not mistaken. I saw earlier. Yeah, so at 4:45 and at 5 o'clock, we have news. So in about 15 minutes and about half an hour, we are going to be having some news on gold. So, of course, we are going to be exercising caution on our trades. We're not going to be going in with anything too risky. So let's see right now. The 5-minute candle just closed right now. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is closed. What can we do with this? What can we do with this? If I have 550 Rand, what would your profit be for now? I'm not sure what you're saying, bro. Hold your trade for more than 10 minutes, sound like a scam. Why can't? Because the rules say that you cannot scalp. There is an account that you can use for scalping. The account that I personally have that does not allow scalping. So it's not a scam. It's just that you aren't allowed to scalp. That's what certain brokers and prop firms do, bro. There is a classic account. It's called a classic account where you can scalp. So yeah, I want to open one position and see how high I can go. Go for it, bro. When do I enter? Not right now, bro. Not right now. We have not entered at all. Right now, we're still waiting for a setup to form. But ideally, right, what we want to see is the market comes below this low over here. I'll show it to you here. We want the market to come below this low over here so that you can take out this liquidity and then have a rejection and then go up. from here. So ideally, let me draw it here for you guys. You want something like this here. Not that. Something like this here. Right? Comes down, goes below there, breaks above, retests again, breaks above, retest again, and goes all the way up. So we'll look to take our entries somewhere around, let me delete this here. 1 second. We will look to take our entries from somewhere around here, bro. Somewhere around there. Is 1K a good amount to fund? I don't think so, because the markets are so volatile right now. It is a bit difficult there with such small amounts. I would say try and find a bit of a bigger amount. It's a bit safer, it's a bit better. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. Perfecto, perfecto, perfecto. Here we go. Let's see over here. With 700 Rand, you're gonna aim for my SL, my brother, 100%, bro. It's a bit too low, bro. What if the market goes, what if the market opens, then goes up? Then so be it, bro. If it goes up, it goes up. We can't control that, bro, but if it goes up, it goes up. We have our setup, we're waiting for our rules to apply, and then we're going to take our trades. Literally. What time are you going to expect to open? Hopefully within the next 5 to 10 minutes, guys. Hopefully within the next 5 to 10 minutes, we can get a trade here on gold. That there would be the ideal situation. So let's have a bit of patience and let's wait, guys. The markets have opened up already 3 minutes ago. So let's wait. Let's go. 490 viewers in the chat right now. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, guys. We are on the way to 7,000 subscribers. We're only about 500 subs away. I hope I don't blow this account. I hope you don't too, bro. But remember, if we do take a loss, we take a loss. It's perfectly fine. It's part of the game. We're not going to get angry or get touched. That's just how trading is. Literally. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. That's all we can do, bro. All we can do. Yes, the news is at 1645. You are right, bro. The market crazy 100% Mohammed Saeed Adam G. Please don't let the fast get to you. 100%, bro. 100%. Don't let the fast get to you, bro. Don't get too hungry for the pips. The pips will come. If you don't eat now, you will eat at iftar time, bro. You will eat at iftar time, brody. Literally, brody. Literally. But yeah, like I said, we're waiting for a setup to go right now to tap us in and give us a setup here. It's approaching our level of support, so that's nice, of course. It is approaching our level of support, so I like that a lot. I like it a lot. Come on, gold. Give us something here. Losses are your payment for success. Can't be super successful if you don't want to sacrifice something. Of course, bro. Will you be sending a signal to the VIP? Yes, I will, bro. Of course, I will. A lot of people say risk management is important. I agree, but the most important thing is emotional control. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, if you can control your emotions, I can promise you, bro, you will be a very good trader. If you can control your emotions and know how to react when you take a loss, or even if you take a win, just knowing how to react, bro. Really. So you either enter trades for 1 point, I don't know what you're saying, bro. Salih Williams, I'm not sure what you mean, bro. I'm not sure what you mean. Is 1K a good amount of fun? No, it's not, bro. It's a bit too small. I've told you it's a bit too small, bro. We're definitely going to get a buy. Look at the RSI. I don't use RSI, but I do see what you're saying, bro. We had a very big push down. We need a bit of a retracement, bro. Just made my first withdrawal with Space Markets. Let's go. Let's go. Time for the sunglasses because the future is getting bright. The future is getting absolutely bright. We have 515 views in the chat right now. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, guys. Just show your support. Let's go. Let's get some W's in the chat right now. Let's get some W's in the chat. Spam right now. And I see you guys go absolutely crazy with the W's in the chat. For 500 viewers, guys. Let's go. I've blown my account 5 times in the past 6 days. I don't want to. That's crazy, bro. How do you blow so much, bro? That's insane. Gotta find that account, I believe. That's it. Let's go, gold. Let's go, gold. Come on, gold. Pay us right now, man. Pay us right now, man. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Pay us right now, bro. Let's go, let's go. TJR vibes, of course, bro. Is there an instant account with common capital? Yes, there is, bro. There is an instant account, bro. Down 3K for the day. Unlucky, bro. Unlucky, unlucky, unlucky. Lost 0.5%. Looking for a 1% trade for the day. That's the perfect mentality to go into the market, bro. You lost 0.5%. You want to make back 1%, which means that you're looking for a 1:2 risk to reward ratio, bro. You want to be risking 0.5% to gain 1%, bro. Nice shades, thank you, bro. W Space Markets, of course, bro. The best broker out there, man. W Space Markets. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Did you buy? Not yet, bro. We're waiting for confirmations first. We are waiting for confirmations first. Confirmations first. We can't just go and buy her. We have to wait for confirmations first. Over 500 viewers? Of course, bro. That's what I'm saying, man. Insane, guys. Insane. Are we in yet? No, we are not in as yet. We are not in as of yet. We are still waiting, guys. We are still waiting. The setup has not formed as yet, guys. The setup has not formed as yet. We cannot just enter, guys. It has not gone down to my level of support and rejected on the 5-minute time frame. We are waiting for a 5-minute time frame, guys. 5-minute candle must close. Hopefully, if we can close as a bullish engulfing candle, that would be lovely. Then that there can mean that there is a possible buy loading. And of course, it's going to target these highs over here, literally. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. My phone is finally charged right now, 57%. You can see over there, 57%. So I can take it off the charge right now, and I can look at my phone and see where are we going to look for our buys. Let's see over here. Come on now, gold. Give us something to work with. Give us some profits, bro. Without confirmation is a ram, no gam. Of course, bro. Of course, bro. Of course, bro. 1 second. I'll tell you after the stream. Some guy wants to know how to get onto the 1 a.m., bro. Let's see, let's see. Come on, go. Give us something over here, man. There we go. It's going up right now. It has a bullish engulfing candle. The only thing, bro, the stop loss is disgusting, bro. This stop loss is absolutely disgusting. This is a $40 stop loss, bro. That's insane. But nevertheless, we have 2 minutes left until this 5-minute candle closes here. We need just to break above this area over here for us to have some good buys. So let's see. Can we break above here, guys? Come on, gold. Give us something. Give us something right now, man. Come on, Goldilocks. Give us a trade. I want to make some money on my funded account. I want to make some money, some moolah on my funded account. On my funded account. Because I'm a funded trader now. I'm a fully funded trader, baby. I'm waiting for them to post me on Comit Capital. So we'll trade before the news. You either trade before the news or after the news, bro. I'll be doing your VIP group soon. Perfect, bro. Perfect, bro. Go for it. Go for it. Come on now, Cole. Give us something here. That's a very, very nice rejection over there. The only thing is that we do have news in the next 5 minutes. How do you have so much of energy? Bro, I'm always happy, bro. Life is good. You know, we have a funded account. We're with the best broker. We're streaming here from a beautiful office. We have 550 viewers. We have lots of money in the bank accounts. Thanks to God for that, of course. But yeah, we are loving life, guys. We are loving life right now, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. Life is amazing, and alhamdulillah for that. Life is amazing, guys. Okay. What do you need to be a funded trader? You have to pass your account, bro. Pass your funded account. Since you got the 1 million account, you say the max is 800k. The max you can lose, I'm not sure how, the max you can lose is only 5%, bro. 5% per day and 10% overall. That's the max you can lose, bro. That's the maximum amount that you can lose. So you can see over here, we have a very nice setup over here. And the only reason why I'm not going to take this trade is because of the news. So this is a good setup, but I'm not going to take it because of the news, guys. I'm not going to take it because of the news. No trade due to news, right? So there's no trade right now because of the news, right? Because I'm trading on a funded account, I cannot trade 5 minutes before or 5 minutes after the news is released. And there's 5 minutes right now before the news is about to be released. So you can start your 10-minute timer now, and at 50 minutes past is when you can start trading again. Yes, on your funded account, you cannot do it, bro. What's up, Uzair Valley? It's good to see you, bro. Just blew my 50k from that liquidity sweep. What you mean, bro? Why did you take a trade, bro? Why did you take a trade? There was no confirmation for any trades, bro. But I'm sorry about that, my broski. So if you were live, you would have taken it. Yes, if I was on my live account, I would have then looked to have taken it. But I'm on a live funded account, so Red falling news at 5 p.m. Ah, there's even red falling news at 5 a.m. At 5 p.m. Crazy, bro. Had the limit set this morning. Unlucky, bro. Very unlucky, bro. So can I enter now? No. I'm not going to enter now, bro. I'm still gonna wait and see, bro. Should we take a trade? No, bro. There's no trade right now because of the news. Even if you on your live account, bro, I still would not take this trade. But my take profit will be all the way out there, bro. Because look at it, bro. The stop loss is literally $40. The stop loss is insanely big, bro. There's no point taking this trade. The SL is way too big. Not just the SL. The no signal in the VIP. There will be a signal in the VIP later on if the market gives us a setup. But for right now, there's nothing, bro. I also won't take this trade right now because of the news, even if it's on my live account, right? I'm flying. Sorry for you. Let me know what you mean, bro. Where's the RS3? I don't have RS3, bro. I have a BMW M240i, bro. That's what I have, bro. A baby M2, basically. Ugh. Tired. But yeah, like I was saying, guys, because of the news, that's throwing me off from taking any trades. Whether it be on my live account, whether it be on my funded account, the news can cause a lot of disruptions, bro. There is no news trading. News creates opportunity. Well, it does, but it also creates blowing your account, bro. Because if you're on the wrong side of trading, on the wrong side of the news, you're gonna blow your account, bro, big time. And you obviously don't want that. So that's the thing, bro. I'm in profits right now. Well done, bro. Well done, Maceo. Well done, bro. We are going to be waiting here for news to first come out and then see how the market's going to react off the news and then look for a trade. I do want to obviously get a trade because I lost earlier. I want to recover my losses and make some profit. So I'm on the board for the month for some profit. But yeah, let's not be patient. Well, let's not be impatient. Let's be patient. And yeah, if you have a SL that will work, the SL will be probably below this 1 minute candle here, bro. There's news at 5 o'clock. Yes, I know. There is news at 5 o'clock, bro. Just get a classic account if you want to. Yes, I'm gonna get a classic account as well. The only thing is because I paid for the account that I have right now, of course I didn't want to obviously lose 6,000 Rand. So I was first going to get a payout with Common Capital so I can then pay for another account, bro. Because I already paid 6,000 Rand for this account. I don't want to now just, say whatever and lose the 6,000 Rand, bro. That makes no sense. So yeah. Will you still be here with us after 5? Yes, I will. I will stay on a bit longer, bro. I lost 20K today. How, bro? How did you lose 20K, bro? How is that even possible? How did you lose 20K, bro? Let me know. But yeah, I will stay a bit longer after 5 o'clock just so that we can look for a trade. What if you entered, then set the SL at entry for the news impact? It will still not work, bro. Common Capital does not allow that, bro. You have to not like move your trade for literally 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after the news. So that's how it works, guys. You can't be taking news trades on Common Capital if you have a normal account. Basically just won't work. Just will not work, guys. So you don't get discounts for your challenges where you pay. Is it because nah, bro? So I use my own code FX Killers for 30% off. So I did get a discount, but yeah, because I was following the other guys live. Sorry about that, bro. But it does happen. There will always be losses in trading. Don't ever go full margin on your trades. Of course, there's no point in that. But yeah, emotion skill, 100%, bro. 100%, broski. But sometimes SL don't work in news 100%. So if you're gonna get skipped by the SL, just don't take a trade, man. Can you get your 6K back with your first payout? Yes, you can, bro. Today was a learning curve for people trading on FOMO, 100%, bro. Because everyone went like with the image of like you have to go and buy gold. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Nah, not yet. It's just too volatile, right? Bro, 5 minute candle, $45 stop loss. $45 from here. Is that 345? Yeah, that's 310. The $35 stop loss, bro. Just below there. It's insane. MFL would be below here. It's a $45 stop loss, bro. I see. It's not good. I'm bomb club, bro. This is way too much. Way too much. That's one. What's up, CPW? I have a question for Alex. I think he's asked you a question.
What?
That's what I'm saying, bro. Got motion, bro. Got motion, bro.
Oh, really?
Are you only trading after 505? Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Or I look for a trade even now. If this 500 candle can close this bearish, I might look for a sell. I might look for a sell if this candle can close this bearish, bro. I'm 700 Rand away from passing step phase 2. Amazing, bro. Bro, what's your lot size guide for different funded account challenges? Just send me a DM on Instagram with your account size, and then I'll tell you what lot size I would personally use on that account size, bro. It's very difficult for me to give you every single account size and the lot size, but just send me a DM and I'll help you with it, bro. Okay, let's see. Can we get a setup here? It's looking like it might be a sell here on gold. Let's see. Can we get a good setup here, guys? Can we get a good setup here, my people? Come on now, gold. Give us something, bruv. Give us something to work with here, man. Come on now, gold. Come on now, gold. If we can close this bearish, right, it might be decent for a sell. It might be good for a sell. Let's see. Okay, let's also check out the news. How did the news come out? Because I never actually saw how the news actually came out right now. You go to investing.com and see how the news came out. So the news came out better than expected. So we should expect a drop on gold. We should expect a drop on gold. So this sell setup here might be good, bro. It's going down, then coming up. I think so too, bro. What happened with RCG? I've been waiting hours for my instant withdrawal when it says nobody's available to answer. I'm not too sure, bro. I'm not with RCG. I'm with Space Market, so I'm not sure. I can't comment on that, bro. I can't comment on that. With 250, you're gonna aim for my SL, for SL, my G, 100%, bro. Are we buying gold at 5 o'clock? Okay. You do that, bro. You do that. I'm not gonna be doing that. I am not gonna be doing that. I'm not a gambler. I don't gamble, bro. I actually wait for the market to give me a setup and then trade based off of that, bro. I don't want to gamble. I don't want to gamble, man. Could you ask Alex? I will ask him when he comes back to the office, bro. When he comes back to the office, I will ask him what's the story there, bro. Don't stress. I'll ask him. I shall ask him, buddy. Come on, man. Go give us something, bro. It's been so boring right now. It's not giving us anything. Remember not to react to the markets. Remember to react with the market, not with the emotion. 100%, bro. Bro, you're too far from the microphone. The thing is, bro, the microphone is all the way up top here. I have to go buy a new cable, bro, for this microphone because it's annoying, bro. It's like so short, this cable. Now I must sit like this here in the camera, bro. Like, come on, man. It's dropping to 5280. Possibly, bro. Possibly. Is that better now? Is the microphone better now, bro? Hello. Let me know. Give us 1,000 pips profit. I want to, bro. Don't stress. I also want that as much as you do, bro. I want that as much as you do. I also want that kind of profits, broski. Don't stress. I also want that kind of profits, man. I also want to eat. Man. Want to eat some profits. Want to eat some money. It never sounded bad, but always good. Thank you, bro. I think just some people's phone volume is just soft. That's why it sounds soft. But yeah, man. That's that, I guess. Gold gave us good pips at 2 though, but after that, 100%, bro. After 2 o'clock today, bro, it was literally just boring the whole entire day, bro. It was just boring, bro. KG train wave effect, bro. Just make your phone a bit louder. I think that's the issue, bro. Your phone is a bit soft. Just make your phone or your laptop a little bit louder. I can't sit forward the whole time. My back will break. I don't want to get my back broken right now, bro. So, yeah. Wait, pause. Chill out. I didn't mean that. Chill out. Chill. Come on, if it's clear, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting myself as well, Isaac. I'm trusting myself as well, bro. Trusting myself as well, broski. This guy has champagne, bro. What's going on? I was about to say, hey, yo, that's what I just say. Like, I saved myself, bro, before. I saved myself before I went any further, bro. Before I went any further, bro. Put on US 30, nothing, bro. I don't play US 30, bro. Wait to message you for VIP, just send me a DM on Instagram, bro.
You're gonna be like, what is this guy doing drinking in office?
Celebrating, bro.
I'm celebrating. We signed a deal. It was popping for that.
Yep,
It's like,
yep, yep.
no, don't drink like that.
If you want to get the VIP single, send me a DM here, broski. Just send me a DM over there for the person that asked Blaze FX. Do you have your own school FX skins? Are you part of Common Capital? No, I have my own brand. FX Killers is my brand, bro. That's my brand, broski. And it's the Champopo. Crazy work, bro. Crazy work, man. But yeah, we're still waiting, guys. Still being patient. Still nothing as of yet. Gold is being boring, man. Gold is being so boring right now, man. Come on. Really? It's doing nothing, bro. It's doing literally nothing, bro. Come on, Gold. Give us something to work with. SPS 100%, bro. It's the best time to trade after, bro. After the news, bro. After the news. I'm seeing a bearish trap. I think so too, bro. Is gold 1M not breaking retest? It is, but we don't trade on the 1 minute time frame, bro. We don't, bro. We don't trade on the 1M. Let's go check out the DXY and see what the DXY is doing. DXY is low-key going to the upside right now. That's why, and that explains why gold is coming down. So, yeah, bro. Yeah. Come on, gold. We might get a dirty candle for the news, possibly, bro. Possibly. We might get a crazy candle, bro. But that's also a nice rejection, though, low key. I not fasting. I am fasting, bro. I'm fasting right now. Of course I'm fasting, bro. What do you mean? Of course I'm fasting, bro. Of course I'm fasting, my bro. Of course I'm fasting, Brady. Come on now, Goldilocks. Give us something here, man. Give us something, bro. I'm surprised you don't trade gold because you don't trade silver because it moves similar to gold. It does, but it just moves a lot more volatile. That's why I don't like it, bro. Because it moves a lot more volatile than gold. That's why I don't like it, bro. My overall take on gold, that gold is bullish, bro. It might have a bearish move, but if you look at the rejections, bro. Look at the rejections here, broski. Big rejection, big rejection, big rejection. What's that showing you? Signs of bullishino, bullishano, momentimo. Bullishino, bullishano, momentimo. That's what it's showing us right there, bro. That's what it's showing us right there. Literally. Nope, there's no bias there, Jamal. No bias as of yet, guys. Just gonna wait. Gonna be patient. Don't force it. Don't force anything in life, man. Don't force nothing in life. You think gold could go back to 4,000 one more time? Nah, I don't think it'll go back to $4,000, bro. I don't think so. I mean, even a higher time frame, I don't think it'll drop that low, bro. For gold to drop to $4,000 is insane, bro. It has to drop literally. Yeah, bro, that's crazy, bro. It has to go back to literally the 18th of November 2025, bro. That's crazy, bro. Jay from FX War Room says you can't trade while fasting. I don't know where you got that from, bro, but that doesn't make sense to me. You can't trade while fasting. Why not, bro? Why can't you trade while fasting, bro? Almost blew my 1K account now. Crazy, bro. The 15-minute candle was bullish. Yeah, it still has a gap to cover, guys. Remember, it still has a gap to cover down there. So don't forget about that. It still has a gap to cover down here. If it has to come down, it will most probably come down up until here. So here, but you have to cover the gap, bro. At 4,000, I will buy the whole reserve out, bro. Same. I won't lie to you. If gold goes down to 4,000, bro, I'm selling my house. I'm selling my one wife, selling my second wife, selling my third wife, selling my fourth wife. I'm selling my kidney. I'm selling my car. I'm selling everything I have. I'm even going to sell my phone. I'll have to trade on a laptop. That's how I'm gonna buy it. If it goes down to 4,000, I'll sell my car to buy petrol. Literally. Literally. We have Mufti in FX now, crazy work, bro. As long as Trump is around, gold bullish, I think so too, bro. The news is at 5 o'clock, bro. The news is at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock. We have 4 minutes left for the news. Let's wait. Let's wait. That makes no sense. Fasting got nothing to do with trading. We eating. Exactly, bro. Then it makes no sense, bro. Why you can't trade while fasting, bro? Like, why? It's not like we put any food, or we're not like gonna put the computer or the candlesticks in our mouth. You get me? So, not too sure, bro. I don't know. Maybe he has a good reason for it. If you know what his reason is, then maybe just let me know what his reason actually is. Maybe I can also learn. Maybe we can learn also in the chat. So let me know what his reason actually is. Then we can also learn, bro, and get better at it, bro. I'll show you my headset. Clear? Ay. Danko. Danko Shaquili O'Neal. Danko. Maboza. Looking fresh as always, broski. Looking beautiful. Where you go, bro? Where you go, bro? I want to go there for a haircut.
Really?
Yeah, it's a fresh cut you got, bro. Don't even do that, bro.
Sure.
Yes, bro. Rate the cut. Rate the cut right there. Scale of 1 to 10. Shaquille O'Neal. Looking beautiful. I won't lie to you, bro. You might even steal one of my wives.
Bro.
You're gonna steal one of my wives, bro. Chill out. Chill, bro. My wife's watching that now, bro. Chill, dude. Chill, bro. Damn, bro. You gonna pause. That's what I'm saying, man. Let's go.
Bro, I was so busy, guys. You know, if you guys understand, I was supposed to do a goal-free thing. I'm gonna update them, man.
Yeah, they were asking about it.
You know, they don't understand, bro. Like, I'm not understand.
You were busy.
I'm not that it's just busy, but it's so this everything can run.
Yeah, exactly.
Guys, I
I
run
guess,
the
bro.
3 brands behind the scene, man. I run 3 brands behind the
Absolutely, bro.
scene, you know. So I try my best to make sure everything is flowing.
Exactly, bro.
So,
Shaq is a good guy, of course, bro.
So I'm trying to do my best, but I'm gonna be live on Friday and Thursday and Friday.
Yeah, Thursday,
And
Friday.
then I'm gonna do it on the Friday.
So they're asking which
Yeah.
barber, bro? Which barber? Say your barber's a great guy.
Bro, I'm gonna give my source away.
So I told them, bro, like you can't give away your location of where you take your haircut, bro.
Never. I'll tell you afterwards.
Yeah, after the stream. Shaq's a great guy. What news is it? It is the, I don't know, some manufacturing something, bro. I don't even know if it's gonna even have any effect on gold or any effect on gold, but yeah, bro. He's comparing trading to betting. That's why he said don't trade. But you can't do that, bro. You can't compare trading to betting, bro. If you're doing that, then stay away from the markets completely. You can't say that only in Ramadan you're not gonna be trading because it's like betting. That's like saying you're just not going to eat pork in Ramadan, but out of Ramadan you're gonna eat pork. It makes no sense, bro. It makes no sense to me personally, Brody. And you can't compare trading to betting only when it comes to Ramadan, but not out of Ramadan. You get me? You have to be consistent throughout. That's why with me, the entire time I say trading, for me personally, I think it is halal, bro. So, yeah, bro, that is that. That is that. 1 minute until the news release. Yes, bro. 20 seconds here on my side till the news is actually released though, the last though. Yeah, I think that we can get up to at least 200 likes. We're at 485 viewers. I think at least 200 likes should be decent, guys. Come on. At least a little 200 likes over there for the boy, of course. A little 200 likes for me, bro. And the news is out right now, and let's see how it's going to affect the markets, guys. How is the news going to... I'm closely watching the VIP. Yes, sir. We are waiting for it, bro. Waiting for the setup. So you see, like I told you guys, the news barely even affected the markets because it doesn't really have to do with gold, bro. There's risk in every business trading the same 100%, bro. There's risk in every single business. It's not just in trading, bro. Literally in every single business that there is risk. So yeah, I mean, you can go and open up a candy store right now and have no sales at all, and you went to go and buy 1 million rand worth of candy. So it's always going to be a risk, bro. Whether you're doing trading, whether you're doing a business, whether you're doing a service, there's always a risk involved in nearly every single thing. If there was anything that was risk-free in life, then every single person would be doing that and they'll be making money from that. That's why there's nothing risk-free in life. Every single thing has risk, guys. Ask Alex, how did his date go that he went on this morning? I'll ask him, bro. So we're going in for the sell when the time is right? No, we are looking for buys. I got a 100 pip sell in the first zone. Well done, bro. If someone says there's zero risk, it's suspicious 100%, bro. If someone says that there's no risk involved, just know it's probably a scam, bro, because there's always risk involved. Always risk involved, guys. So now, what I'm waiting for here is for this 5-minute candle here to go and push above here, guys. If you can break above this area over here, then I'll look like buys. It must close very bullish with a nice rejection. I'll then look for buys from here if it can close bullish. So something like, let me get this here out. A forecast, something like this here. Wait, no. Not that. I think it's the ghost feed. So something like this here, guys. Where gold must push, break above, retest, and then look for buys. And then we can look for a big move up like that, man. A big move up like that. That's what I'm looking for personalano, something like that, guys. But yeah, the news came out better than expected, exactly, bro. The COVID pandemic ruined my construction business. I'm sorry about that, bro. Check the range on the 15-minute time frame. Let's go and see the range on the 15-minute time frame. So yeah, I mean, we could still have some buys, guys. We're waiting for it to form the setup first. Guys, if we don't get a setup now, then before I actually end the stream, I will show you exactly what I'm looking for. So if we do end the stream and I don't get a trade, then I'll show you exactly what I'll be looking for before I end the stream, so that you can just go and apply it to your charts and you know exactly what to look for if those specific things happen on the charts, guys. I'll never leave you guys hanging. I'll always first show you guys, okay, that's what I'm looking for, that's what I want, that's what I want. So what I personally want is two scenarios, right? Either it's going to come down from here and reject and give us a buy like this. So this here is scenario number one, right? This here is scenario number one, where it comes down to the level of support. It rejects the level of support and goes to the upside with a bullish engulfing candle. And we can look for entries somewhere over here. It retests, add more entries over here, and take all the way up to the upside, targeting its highs over here. That's the first scenario. And the second scenario would be it just rejects right now, breaks above there, retest, get our entry somewhere over here, and look to take our buys all the way up there. So this is my two scenarios that I have. I'll leave them both here actually for you guys, so you guys can see both of them. You guys are not confused by which is which. But I'll just change this color over here, put this here in red, and put this here in blue. What are you putting green? No, not green. Green's not a good color for this stream. Line, the color, let's go with like a darker green. Yeah, that day, that's better. And there we go. So this here is scenario number one, goes down and goes up, and then scenario number two, it goes up, breaks above and retest. How do you know when to buy on the retest? You must wait for a bullish candle closure for the retest, bro. Will you guys in the VIP? Yes, I will, bro. As I always say, I will let you guys know in the VIP, bro. What's your thought on GBP USD? I only trade gold, my bro. I only trade gold. Yeah, now we have 550 now. But now it's a bit lower because we're going to end the stream of soon. Because gold is just being like doing the boring, bro. Like, no, it's not moving.
It's not moving. And you know why it's not moving? Everyone expected.
That's what I'm saying.
A big move.
I said the same thing.
Watch.
When you don't expect it, gone.
It's gonna be gone.
I think at like 1 a.m. One of the mornings is gonna go and just continue going.
You see another story happen. Damn.
Where can we get your glasses and how much are they? It's not mine. It is actually Shaquille's, Mr. Shaquille Samai's glasses. So yeah, withdrew 15 minutes ago and got my payout from Space Markets, bro. Because that's how we do it. We quick with it, bro. If you eat pups, can you break your fast? What do you mean, bro? You can't actually eat pips, bro. We just said that like a joke, bro. Yes, I told you, bro. Space markets on top, bro. Don't forget to sign up with the link in the bio, broski. Come on, guys. We're literally only 27 likes away from 200 likes, guys. 27 likes away from 200. I know you guys can do it. 27 likes away from 200 likes, guys. And also, just so you guys know, I will be taking a video after the stream of the charts and sending it to my VIP signal group and sending it to my free group, bro. To my free group as well, so you guys can know what to expect here on gold. Like I told you, I will never ever leave you guys hanging. I will never leave you guys in the dark. I always want you guys to know what I'm looking for. So when I give out a signal or I give out a trade, you guys are not left in the dark and you're unconfused. That's the main thing. You guys must learn the skill. That's why we do these live streams, so you guys can learn the beautiful skill and the art of trading forex 100% free, bro. Can you please try to clear this gap on a 30-minute time frame? Will it try to close? I do think it might try to close, bro. And when you enter the stream, the first thing you do is hit the like 100%, bro. We literally are now only 18 likes away, bro. How do we join your free group? So go here to my Instagram, and the link is in my description, bro. Or it's in my bio on Instagram for the free group, 100% free group with literally 5,600 members. Look at this. Look at this. 5,595 members, bro, for free education. That's the goal, bro, to educate you guys for free. That's what I want to do. Educate you guys for free with the streams, bro. And right now, gold looks like it might be giving us a setup right now. Come on, gold. Give us something to work with here. Give us something to work with here, gold. Come on. Come on. Come on, gold. Give us something to work with here. Come on, Goldilocks. Let's see how this 5-minute candle can close, guys. Let us see how this 5-minute candle here can actually close. If it can close nice, then we might have a buy, guys. We might have a buy. If this 5-minute candle can close nicely, we might just look to take a buy. Let's see. Come on, gold. Give us something to work with, my Goldilocks. Let's go. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Okay, so it's pushing up right now a lot right now. Today she's rejecting me 100%, bro. 100%. What's your opinions on the internet account? Not too sure, bro. The internet account I have never used it before, and I don't think I will ever use it. So yeah, that's just that, bro. That is just that. I don't think I'll ever use an instant funded account because I want to actually prove to myself first that I can actually trade, bro, and get my emotions in check before I take a trade, bro. So let's see. So it looks like this first scenario here is happening where it's just rejecting and pushing up right now. So I'll take away this green one here and just keep this pink one here. Where you're looking for the 5-minute, if you can close just a bit higher here, bro, that would be nice. If you can close a bit higher there, that would be beautiful, bro. But let's see if it can, bro. Let's see if it can do that or not, bro. Come on, gold. Give us something here to work with, man. Give us something here to work with. Come on, man. Give us something here to work with, man. We want to make some money, gold. We want to make some money, gold. Come on, gold. Okay, so it's not looking the best right now for entries. If you see over here, right, it closed with a very big wick over there, guys. So this here is a clear sign that the market does not want to go up as yet. It closed with a very big rejection wick on both sides, meaning the market is very, very indecisive as of right now, guys. So I think with that being said, we're going to end off here because there's literally no entry, guys. There's no point in us sitting here and just basically just be quiet for the next half an hour to an hour when the market's not doing anything. Look at this. It's just being so boring. Such small candles, not giving us any good movement, guys. So I think for right now, just monitor the chart and see if it does give us any of the two scenarios that I sent out, that I threw out earlier. If it does, then you might have possible entries. But for right now, I think we're going to end off over here. I have to also go and break my fast. So yeah, it's not looking too good right now, guys. So yeah, give it 20 minutes. I have to also break my fast, bro. I have to drive about half an hour home to go and actually break my fast, bro. That's also why I can't stay for very long on the streams just for this month, because of the fasting month, because of Ramadan. So that's why, bro. But yeah, if it does give us a setup, bro, then I will send it out to the free group, and I will send it out to the VIP signal group as well, guys. So I'll take a video now as soon as this stream ends, explaining exactly what I expect to happen on gold, so that you know in the free group what we're actually looking for and why we're actually looking for what we are looking for, bro. So yeah, don't stress, my people. I will get you guys right with that there. And yeah, I saw you last week. Where did you see me, bro? Where did you see me, bro? Clyde, Maine. Where did you see me, bro? Let me know where you saw me, bro. But yeah, with that being said, my people, I'm going to end off the stream here for today. The markets did not move how I wanted it to move. We got no entry, but I will be back again tomorrow, same time, same place, 4 p.m. for the stream. So make sure you guys tune in over there. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Peace and love. 4 p.m. tomorrow. Be there. Peace and love. We out.